Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Tnat Excise jonga sarkar jilla labu thong ban Pyntreikam pura hapo under postngi yo QR code based tracking system khana telakam me kejinglan a kejing ulum Khajna nakakiat. Ka Commissioner Tnat Excise ke Kongmat Siudor War Nongbri habe keren mekilar pathai kubor hadim lawai kejingalang bla penya do menteri ke sarkar jilla ubakmi ke Tnat Excise kablong hakar popratrik uleber aratar pausan kalau ong bakatnat klai keren sani bha ha kejingalang ban Pyntreikam no lakumnu kumnu ha ubnai jiliu aratar pausan. Kelapentip baon saaji Kairu yang berwakil officer negi district haga biadai berkejumpiran kam QR code based tracking system nanduk ke cap belashna ya ke kiat ter haduk ke kinti bertiat lagi pat bah.
Basically, this, as the name itself indicates, there will be a track and it's a track and trace solution, end-to-end track and trace solution, from the time the IMFL etc. are manufactured till the time they are bought by the consumer. So we will be able to track right from A to Z what exactly happens to the materials that are being manufactured, being sold, being distributed, and being bought by the consumer. So this is the so today's meeting was with all the district heads of office, wherein they will come to know about how exactly we will be taking up this exercise. It's a very elaborate exercise which will also include holograms with QR codes, etc. So each bottle will be having a QR code, each carton will be having a QR code. We will be able to trace each and every level that the IMFL and other you are being given to being sorted out in the market. The district officers will be given more in-depth training in this regard, and each and every office, each and every bottling plant, each and every distillery, bonded warehouses, etc., right up to the retail shops, will be having this track and trace system. So each and every, as I said, QR code will be scanned, and on an immediate basis, we'll be able to track exactly where our goods have reached and whether they have been delivered, whether they are being sold. This will help the department to a very large extent, and I'm sure that since we are able to track immediately, we'll also be able to see the revenue of the department with a click of a button. We see when we say that we put in place a track and trace system is because of the fact that these are bottles, they break, there's a transportation matter that takes place. So whether or not there's a leak, that's not the point. The point here is that we will be able to track and know exactly right from the time that it's manufactured till the time it is sold where these goods are moving, and definitely I'm sure it will be a great help to the department to ensure that our revenue will be increased. Each and every bottle will be QR coded. Each and every can will be QR coded. So each one of these will be scanned, and these will go into the system. And these systems are going to be in such a way that they will be tracked immediately. It's not that we put them in today so we can track them tomorrow. It's not like that. So it will be an immediate a system that's immediately taking place. Because we already have the system that has been approved, and the organization that's going to take up this, who has won the tender and will be taking up, they'll be having their people in place in each of the districts and in all the areas. This will not take time. We already have our officers and our constable up to the constable level, etc. in our different we have our officers in our bonded warehouses, etc. So we are looking at the possibility of rolling out by, this is April, May, by June.
Okay.
Yeah, that means within the 60 days we are looking at rolling out. So the name of the company is Messrs CMP Info Systems LLP.
That is based here in Meghalaya, or?
No, it's based out of Meghalaya. It's based in New Delhi, and but it will be working here. They'll be putting their office up in Shillong.